I don't care. But guess what? That place your kid wants to go to college, they're going to check their social media. That next job you want, they're going to check your social media. You want to serve on a board at your local church or a local community organization, they're going to care what's on your social media. And so you want to make sure it represents you in a way that is accurate and that nothing is out there about you that you don't know about. Right? And so we're going to help you with that as well. We give you identity consultation services, right? You got a question or you got an emergency, guess what? We have 24/7, 365 live support. But that's not where we become the big dogs, right? We become those when you actually have an issue. And our licensed private investigators, this is what they do all day, every day. They're going to restore your identity to its pre-theft status. And they're going to do whatever it takes, as long as it takes, to make that happen. Plus, we have a $3 million identity fraud protection plan that comes with your ID Shield program. Now, guys, this is our